Before us lies a vintage wool carpet, its beauty worn, its heritage fading. The borders frayed, the pile lost. Yet within these threads lives history waiting to be restored. Every carpet tells a story, and today we bring this story back to life. The foundation is where strength begins. With hand and needle we restore warp and weft, each strand aligned with care, returning the carpet's backbone its true strength and timeless power. Now, the art of re-knotting, each knot tied by expert hands with the same technique used for centuries. Authentic wool yarn is woven back into the fabric of time. Knot by knot, pattern by pattern, the carpet breathes again. The design rises, a new motif re-emerges, as if reborn. The muted colours, broken threads, unite in harmony. This is resurrection, where legacy and beauty are rewoven, the handmade fringe stitched with care and finished with grace, completing the masterpiece, where loss once ended, now flows into timeless beauty. Every detail preserved, every imperfection healed, a work of art reborn. B. Hold the vintage wool carpet once faded, now reborn in splendor. Each thread once broken now unites in harmony. Through the skilled hands of master artisans, colors reawaken, patterns re-emerge, and legacy breathes anew. This is not mere repair, it is the resurrection of a masterpiece, where heritage is preserved, nobility rewoven, and beauty made eternal. A timeless creation carrying the past into the future. This is the true art of carpet restoration. Thank you for watching Royal Carpet Restorations, where heritage lives.